Amazon has some pretty powerful tools that can help you sell more if you use them correctly and intelligently. It has a wonderful option in its product listing section, which is called Enhanced Brand Content, presently A+ content. You have probably heard about Amazon A+ content, right? One of the most effective way to increase customer trust and conversion rate is to use Amazon A+ content. It replaces the product description and helps to boost your brand reputation, reduce returns, and hopefully achieve a higher ranking in Amazon SERPs. Hey, I'm Disha from Ecomclips. Creating good and meaningful A+ content can be quite challenging. And in this video, I am about to show you which 5 basic things kept in mind to create a meaningful A+ content. Which 5 most important things we will discuss today. Emphasizing your unique selling point, USP. Emphasizing USP can be very much effective while creating A+ content. Let's see in a perfect example of A+ content. Here you can see how the text in the sub-headline is effective your buyer in a positive way. The line, "Freshen up your home decor," influenced your customer to take the decision to buy the product quickly. This is the USP of the product. Choose your photography carefully. Also, choosing beautiful product-related photographs can make A+ more lively. You can hire professional photographer or just make a CGI using copyright-free stock photos like this. You can see how these images correlated to the product and make A+ marvelous. Emphasizing image over long text. The most important thing is to emphasizing image over long text. Look at this A+. We used only 80 to 100 characters as a copyable text. If we used long text increased of the images, it can be thousands of characters. What might bore your customer? A customer will depart if they have to spend more than 2 minutes attempting to figure out what your product does. So, keep your A+ content short like this example. Put less character and simple text yet meaningful by using lot of images. Content mistakes should be avoided and proofread. A+ content's copy must not have grammatically and spelling mistake. This mistake should be avoided and proofread. Double check and proofread the content to avoid spelling mistake or grammatically errors. Before submitting it, you can use free tool like Grammarly, Ginger to make this done quickly. Maintain consistency in your design. Another this, my friend, do consistency in your design. Make sure your visuals are consistent throughout your A+ content. The content, image, font, and the color should be in a harmony. Overall consistency makes a better understanding of your product for the customer. By applying serious diligence and following the advice I suggest in this video, I hope you can achieve the same level of success as your more established competitors. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. Also, please comment and share this video. If you have any question, please let us know in the comment section. Oh, another thing. If you like to see this type of video, please subscribe to our channel to inspire us to create more videos like this. Thank you.